So what we're gonna do now is create our LinkedIn background photo. This part. This one I just made earlier. But of course, let's walk you through how to make it. So first of all, let's go to Adobe Spark. So this is for free. You just have to make an account, sign up for it, and you would have the landing page like this. So you have to click on plus. So you can either create a post, a page, or a video. So for now, we're going to make a post. So click on that, and you'd be able to see different templates that you can use for your post. But since this is gonna be for LinkedIn, I will start from scratch. And that would take quite some time to load depending on the speed of your internet. And there you go. So you can either use these sizes or you can customize it. So to get the size, you just have to go there. It's 1584 by 396. So go back to it, put 1594. And 396. And click on next. Now you can either use the photos here. You can even search for the photos. Like for example, I want to choose online. I want to see online marketing photos. And click on enter. And there you have it. You would have different pictures of online marketing. And this looks good. So I'll choose that and click on next. So you'd be able to see this, and the picture is quite big. But say I want to edit the text, double click on that and double click on this. Okay, Control A, there. So I would say social media specialization, and then click on done. And say I want to remove this Adobe Spark. You can go ahead and remove that. Remove once. You can even change the variations. For example, you want it to look like this. You'll probably have it look like that. That looks good. And you can even drag it up if you want to. And if, for example, you feel, oh, this is too big, I can't see the picture, so you can go ahead and change it. And say, I would like to just choose this one. And it's still big, but you'd be able to see the picture. Okay, now if that doesn't satisfy you, if it already satisfies you, you can go ahead and download it and save the picture. But if it doesn't satisfy you, you can choose the layouts. So if, for example, I want to choose a different layout, like I would choose this one, for example. So it changes. So I think I'd like to put SEO right here. So you can replace the picture. Go ahead and find free photos. and say I still want SEO. It looks big. So I think that doesn't suit. Let me look for another picture. Say social media. So I'd be able to see a different set of picture. Maybe I'd like to choose this one. Okay, that looks girly. So if I want to choose a different one, I can go ahead and look for another photo. And probably choose a photo that is more manly, since the profile that we're using is for a man. And let's say I want to choose online digital marketing, and let's see what pops up. Okay, so let's take a look if this one works. So the hands are big, and it doesn't really grab all of the pictures. So let me go ahead and change it. Now let me pause this video and come back to you with a better photo. So there, I have chosen the photos that I want to put, and made sure that it looks professional. So if you're wondering how long it took me, probably you can compute from the time I post to the time I finished. If I'm not mistaken, around 5-10 minutes. Okay, so that's how you choose a photo. And of course, if you want to change, of course, the lighting, you can go ahead and choose that too, the filters. You can change it to whichever you want, and I'll just keep it that way. And if, for example, you want to choose a different type of style, you can go ahead and click on style and just roll it like that, and that looks good. So I was able to change that. If you want to change the color, you can do that too. You just have to click on full color and choose what you want to put. Yeah, keep it probably gray. And if I want to choose the background of it, make it red or there, pink. So it really depends. If, for example, I would like to add some more words, I can go ahead and let's do that again. Click on text, or you can add some photos, although it would change this photo. And of course, you have to remember that once this auto saves, so even if you don't save it, it would save on its own. So there would be a difficulty in changing things if it has already been saved. And if you're happy with what you have done, Okay, so there are different things that you can do here. Very easy process. So if you're already happy with what you have done, you can go ahead and download it. Okay. And I have. So let's go ahead and go to that download. I have downloaded it so many times. The showing float folder. And just so that I would not be confused. Okay, I think I opened it. So I would close that. And rename. I would say EO LinkedIn and enter. Okay. Okay, so I've named it EO1 and here is how it looks. So simple and easy. And if I want to upload it here in our LinkedIn background photo, just have to click on that. Okay. And choose EO1. And apply. Okay, so we have changed the background photo, and that's it. You should be doing this a lot more easier if your computers high tech, much more advanced, and has a lot more memory, and your internet connection is better. But it's quite easy to do, and if you have any questions, just let me know.